Hello, my name is ZAMRY, and today I would like to do the presentation too about the vector and scalar. And other below this is my name and my group name and my member name, group name. Okay, I would like to do the introduction. What is vector and scalar? They are two different things. The vector has only two things, magnitude and direction. By the way, the scalar have one thing only. The scalar only have the magnitude. That's why vector and scalar are different thing, not the same. The example of vector is like displacement, velocity, direction, momentum, force, lift, weight, and height, and other example. The example are this, they are have the magnitude and direction. While the example of the scalar quantities is time, speed, and volume. A scalar quantity or parameter have no directional component, only magnitude. That's why the difference of vector and scalar is the scalar have only magnitude, while the vector have two things like magnitude and direction. And the scalar don't have the direction. For example, the unit of for time, minute, hour, and day. The present amount of the time, and they are not tell about direction. Because the time only tell minute, hour, and day, and they don't have direction. That's why the scalar quantity only have magnitude only, while the vector quantity have magnitude and direction. For example, the velocity formula need the direction and magnitude of the object to calculate their velocity, their object velocity. That's why the vector need to have magnitude and direction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad NAJMI bin Muhammad Kamal. My registration number is 01DTK21F1051. Today I want to do a presentation about vector and scalar. So the question is, in the diagram, J and M and KLM are straight line. Point L and N lie on KM and JM respectively, such that L is the midpoint of Km. This is L, and 3Jn equal to Jm. Okay, give that Jl equal 4a and Jm equal to 6b. Express each of the following vector in terms of a and b. So the question is, we need to find Km, ML, and JL. Okay, now the first question is Km equal to Kj and Jm. So negative times 4a plus 6b equal to negative 4a plus 6b. Okay, the second question is ML equal to half Km. So negative times negative 4a plus 6b divided by 2 equal to 2a minus 3b. And the final question is JL equal to JK plus KL. So 4a plus negative 2a plus 3b equal to 2a plus 3b. Okay, that's all.
A very good morning to my math lecturer in J. Anwar. My name is PRATEEP Analaki SIVAKUMAR. My matrix number is 01DTK21F1049. So today I would like to present the conclusion of our presentation, which is scalar and vector. I would like to thank my teammates HAIQAL and AIMAN for presenting as well. So let's start. A scalar is a physical quantity with magnitude only. Example of scalar is mass, temperature, and time. As I just said, scalar is a physical quantity with magnitude only. So there's only magnitude and no other things involved. So the things, example that only magnitude have been involved is mass, temperature, and time. Whereby a vector is a physical quantity with magnitude and direction. So as we can see, vector has been added with direction. So when there is direction and magnitude, that will be called as vector. Example of vector are displacement, velocity, and acceleration. So here are some images that are added so that you can even more understand. So as you can see, Scala is involves calculating volume, temperature, time, speed, whereby vector involves in calculating temperature change, velocity, weight, thrust, which is vector is a physical quantity with magnitude and direction. Next, I have also added another image, which is mathematical solution kind of image, scalar and vector quantities. So you can see speed is scalar 45 mph, only magnitude. But velocity is vector, which means direction. It's also included. So let's go to our next slide, which is I will explain about real life application, vector and scalar. Vector. Vectors have many real life applications, including situations involving force or velocity. For example, consider the forces acting on a boat crossing a river. The boat's motor generates a force in one direction and the current of the river generates a force in another direction. Both forces are vector. So this is a real life experience regarding vector. Now let's go to scalar. If you are measuring the surface area of a piece of land or a two-dimensional object, it has no direction, only magnitude. You can associate a direction with it when the object in question is three-dimensional, as you are measuring it in different directions, but the area is scalar when the measurement is simple and two-dimensional. So as you can see, scalar is only referring to magnitude. We have only one, which is referring to magnitude, whereby vector is referring to magnitude and also directions. So the conclusion of our presentation is vector refers to magnitude and direction, but scalar only refers to magnitude. So thank you for lending your ears, Tuan, and thank you to my teammates, HAIQAL and AIMAN. Thank you.